Hi, everyone! Today we're bringing you a product installation video for Dazuma's narrow beam wall sconce. The product includes one accessory kit, an instruction manual, a narrow beam wall sconce. First, remove the two mounting screws from the base of the product and set them aside safely. Then remove the product base. Snap the notch on one side of the product base under your power cord, just like we've shown here. Then marks and punch holes. Insert the screw sleeves from the accessory kit into the holes. Next, attach the product base along with the two mounting screws included in the product accessory kit. Connect the power cord at the bottom of the product to your power source. Place the product on top and tuck the exposed power cord in the base of the product. Reinstall the two mounting screws from the bottom of the product that you removed earlier. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.